Hi guys, welcome back to the Gourmet Grandad cooking channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this really beautiful crispy summer salad. Doesn't that look beautiful? So colourful. We need these ingredients: a lovely lettuce, we've got some coriander leaf, some olive oil, we're going to need seasoning, some salt and black pepper, a cucumber, some small tomatoes we've got there, one lime and some sweet corn. Into a glass I go with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You don't have to be too fussy about the quantities really. A teaspoon of coriander leaf, some salt and some pepper. We'll grind that in. Then we'll need some lime juice, a lovely fresh lime. Whoa, look at that. We can squish this in, all of it. Don't waste any. Don't forget the second half either. There we go. Can almost taste it already. That looks so good. Give this a little mix, and the longer you can leave it the better, to let the flavours all infuse. Now we can cut the tomatoes. Cut these in half and then in half again. Like this. There we go, just about a nice size. Then we could start with the sweet corn. I've boiled this for about 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, just to make it nice and tender. And then take the seeds off of the husk, like this. Then it's best to break these up a little bit. And then we move on to the lettuce. I'm going to break some leaves off of this lettuce. It's a little gem lettuce. We like these. They're nice and crispy, crunchy, and a lovely delicate flavour. Give these leaves a good wash under the tap. Then carefully pat dry with some kitchen towel. Put them all together, fold them up, and then you can cut them into the nice sizes that you want. Not too big, not too small. We just want them to look good in the bowl, which they will do. Once down the middle, and they're done. Now we'll give the cucumber a good wash as well, and pat this dry with some kitchen towel. I'm going to leave the skin on this time. Sometimes I'll take it off, but not today. Prefer it like this today. We're going to cut these into strips and then dice them. About like that. And then after that's done, we can plate up. Put the lettuce on first. Followed by the tomatoes. Followed by the cucumber. And then we can put on the dressing. There we go, put that all round. And then give this a nice mix. And when that's all done, we can put the sweet corn over the top. And just to finish it off, we'll put a few tomatoes over the top. They look good when they sort of shine through, nice and bright and red. And there we have it, a beautiful summer salad. Or should I say, and there we have it, a beautiful crispy summer salad. Well, thanks for watching everybody. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you try this for yourself. Please like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye for now.